1940s butter churn. Send it. We've been churning for 10 minutes. That's what happens to heavy cream. We're getting there.
Take a picture of the end of the jar.
I will. Wow. Okay.
All right, it's whipped. Now we have to butter.
Yeah. It's like mayonnaise right now.
You want to taste it?
No, we just added a teaspoon of salt. Probably should have done it earlier.
I think it has time.
I lubricated the gears in there with a mixture of synthetic grease, 10W60, Castrol racing motor oil, and even a few drops of Prolong, which is a chlorinated paraffin, which should significantly reduce friction in the gear drive. "15 minutes in. This is what happens to heavy cream. It's not quite butter yet, but something's happening. I'm not quite sure what. Luckily for the Prolong inside the gears, making our job a little bit easier. Okay, let's carry on.
Stick it up to hold the handle up now.
22 minutes of constant stirring. That's what we started out with. This is where we're at. Kind of looks like Jell-O at this point. Who remembers that? Where were we? All right, folks, 48 minutes in. No, 28.
25.
3, 4, 5. Sorry. 25 minutes in of constant cranking. And we can't turn it anymore. That liquid is the buttermilk, the stuff that you use for some recipes. And the rest of it is pure, absolute, condensed, saturated, artery hardening, arterial sclerosis butter. So we dump the contents into a cheesecloth and strained it. And what we have in here is, is that buttermilk stuff. I mean, I don't have much use for it, but some people cook with it. So, is that what that is?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That is butter if I've ever seen it. Cool.